Welcome to our guide on how to effectively use online shipping tools. Understanding these tools is essential for efficient shipping in today's digital world. There are two main types of online shipping tools: carrier-specific platforms that cater to individual carriers and multi-carrier platforms that allow you to compare different services. Let's start by setting up your account. Follow me through this step-by-step guide to registration. Once you're logged in, the dashboard is your central hub. Here's how to navigate its features and functions effortlessly. Next, let's input your shipment details. This is how to enter package information correctly. Now it's time to select your shipping options. We'll compare rates and delivery times to find the best fit. Let's create your shipping label. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure it's done correctly. Once your package is on the way, knowing how to track shipments effectively is crucial. Here's how to use tracking features. Sometimes, returns are necessary. Utilize these tools to make the return processing easy and efficient. Finally, let's discuss some best practices and common mistakes to optimize your shipping process.